Let's continue on the one side. One button side, I better say. Now that I'm on a better side road, let's see if this will help the vehicle to actually park it near the side. Let's see on the camera. It reached that. This is the curb line, and this is, if I press the button, it will get close. Let's see if this is going to work. Oh, it's working. I think sometimes it's a good idea to learn it, how it parts is called by the computer or the AI, so that after you learn it, if it can help you, you can actually park it by yourself. Now you see that it stops where it starts. And let's continue to see. See, it parts where the yellow line was. And that's how it works.